The universe is a vast mystery, an infinite expanse of stars, planets, gas, and dust that stretches far beyond our imagination. While our understanding of space is continuously expanding, there is still so much we don't know. Every day, scientists make extraordinary discoveries, unveiling distant worlds and unknown galaxies. The journey that awaits us to discover hidden planets and galaxies is fascinating and full of promise. But what truly awaits us in the depths of the universe? What secrets are still hidden among the stars in distant galaxies? Imagine a planet orbiting a star thousands of light years away from Earth, with conditions completely different from what we know. Since astronomers began discovering exoplanets, planets orbiting stars other than our Sun, endless possibilities have emerged. Today, thanks to advanced telescopes like the Kepler Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, we are able to detect and study worlds far beyond our solar system. Some of these planets are similar to Earth and lie in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions could theoretically support life. These worlds, known as habitable exoplanets, raise the fascinating question, is there life out there? But not all exoplanets are like Earth. Some are gas giants, others are extremely hot or cold, with temperatures that approach the extremes of human imagination. Some of these planets may have methane oceans or seas of lava, atmospheres composed of exotic gases, or unknown weather patterns. Every discovered planet is a further clue to the variety of worlds populating the cosmos. Distant planets could also reveal crucial information about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Telescopes are beginning to study the atmospheres of some of these worlds, searching for signs of biological activity, such as oxygen or methane, or evidence of geological evolution. This kind of research could give us an idea of how life might develop in extraterrestrial environments. But the possibilities don't stop here. Imagine future technologies that could allow us to travel to these distant worlds, taking our knowledge of life beyond the boundaries of Earth. The universe is made up of billions of galaxies, each with millions, if not billions, of stars. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of many, but what lies beyond? The direct observation of distant galaxies is one of the most fascinating fields in cosmology. Some of these galaxies are so far away that the light reaching us has taken millions of years to get to our telescopes. When we look at these galaxies, we are seeing the universe as it was millions of years ago, giving us a glimpse into the early stages of galaxy formation. Many galaxies are so distant that they cannot be directly seen by traditional optical telescopes. Some are hidden behind huge clouds of gas or cosmic dust, while others are only visible in infrared or radio wavelengths. But despite these challenges, scientists have managed to detect signals from these elusive galaxies, thanks to new technologies. Observing the cosmic microwave background, for example, has allowed us to study the shape of the primordial universe, offering new insights into the first galaxies and their characteristics. The oldest and most distant galaxies allow us to shed light on the early moments of the universe, just after the Big Bang. But there are also younger, evolving galaxies that are forming stars at an incredible rate. Some of these galaxies may host supermassive black holes at their center, immense gravitational forces that influence their growth and star formation. Others may be struck by cataclysmic events, such as galactic mergers, that profoundly change their structure. Exploring these distant galaxies could also reveal new forms of matter and energy, such as dark matter, which makes up much of the mass of the universe but is invisible and elusive. Understanding how galaxies form and evolve helps us better understand the origin of the universe itself and its structure. To explore distant worlds and hidden galaxies, technological evolution has been, and will continue to be, essential. Thanks to advanced space telescopes and technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics, we can now collect data from ever-increasing distances. Space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope provide us with extraordinary images of exoplanets and distant galaxies, while space probes like Voyager and New Horizons continue to send data from the edges of our solar system. These technologies, combined with increasingly powerful observatories, are opening a new era of exploration. In the future, space missions may take us beyond our solar system, exploring planets and galaxies millions of light years away. Scientists hope that, one day, robotic missions may reach distant exoplanets, collect samples, and send them back to Earth for analysis. Although interstellar travel is still far off, discoveries and technological innovations are pushing us toward a future where space exploration could become a reality for humanity. Continuing to explore is not just an invitation to explore the cosmos, but an invitation to nurture the curiosity that drives us toward the unknown. Every new discovery, every new planet, every new galaxy brings us closer to a deeper understanding of the universe and our place in it. Humanity has always looked to the stars with a sense of wonder and awe. Today, more than ever, we are able to ask questions and find answers that once seemed impossible. Every question we ask, such as are we alone in the universe? Or how do galaxies form? Is a step forward toward a more complete knowledge of the cosmos. The universe is an endless source of mysteries, and with the advancement of technologies, humanity has the opportunity to unveil them one by one. The exploration of distant worlds is not just a matter of science but an adventure that invites us to reflect on our existence, the evolution of life, and the future of humanity. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss the next videos.